In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a coin and how to promote that particular coin. To be very honest, people make money daily by creating coins on meme coin through the platform like pop.farm, Radium, and others up through the platform you get. So that people create these coins and are making money from it. And also, the other people that create coin and they are not making money from it. It is not all coin that is being created that the dev is going to make money from. Only make money from it if that coin attracts people, if that coin go viral, and then if people buy to that particular coin, you get to share your own, get to sell your own part, and then you can make money. You get so creating meme coin. That it is very easy to create meme coin. If platforms like Pop.com, it is very easy to create meme coin. If you can have at least two Solana, you can create your own meme coin. But before you create a meme coin, there are a lot of things that you should know. You get the different types of meme coin. I don't know if you can observe. There are meme coins that be created daily based on the tweets of top influencers. If Elon Musk tweeted now, Elon Musk tweeted something that is funny, that people are going to create a coin out of that thing, and because that particular tweet is currently trending, that coin is going to do really very well. If Donald Trump make a tweet, that people that are going to make a meme coin out of that particular tweet, and because that particular tweet is gaining attention at that moment, that coin is going to do really well. People also make a coin based on what is trendy. You get there are also other types of coin that is being created by doing what? By making similar coin. For example, if this particular coin, the internet AI patchy back is trendy currently, somebody can see it instead to make another coin with the same name similar to this. If you go to this kind of coins are more common. You get so there are currently creating coin based on what is already trendy and people will still buy to that particular coin and they still make money off it. So the first step of creating meme coin is not about coming over to Pump.for, clicking on create coin and going there to create your coin. The first step is actually for you to look for narrative, what you should create, like look for the name of the coin, what's going on all about, all of these things. This is the first step that you should take. And for you to get this, you can actually get this by studying what is currently happening. Instead to come over to platform like Pop.phone, come to dexscreener, you go through them, then look for what is currently trendy, the coins that is currently gaining their attention, because the coins that is currently having more volumes. You can actually see this on dexscreener. If I go over dexscreener now, as you can see on dexscreener, you get to see coins that is currently trendy. Though these are actually paid, like they pay for promotion, but see this particular one, Litecoin, right? And 10 million. And if you get to scroll through, you get to see some coins that's currently trendy at the moment. You get what you can simply do is simply copy this kind of coins. There are persons that might come create similar coins like this, and if that coin do well, they will still do well. You get a lot of those kind of coins that similar coins on this coin. I get these are what people do. So you can create a coin based on what is already trend, what's already doing well in the market, or you can go over to what? To Twitter and keep on looking for what is trendy at the moment by following Elon Musk, following Donald Trump, following any people you know that any top influencers, and once they make a tweet, if it is meaningful, it is funny, you come forward to our platform and make money off it. And you create a coin and you make money off it. That's the first step of creating meme coin. Second step of creating meme coin is actually when you're done creating the meme coin. So create the meme coin is like I say, you can come to this page, click on create coin, go to this page, I'm going to put the coin name, I'm going to put the ticker, and the description about it, and then all of these things, then you can simply come this place. You have to log in, right? You have to log in, design the ticker, put the description, and then you follow the prompt. Very easy. You you will be able to create a meme coin. The next step is for you to promote that coin. You get promote the coin because if you create a coin or pop the phone, if the coins did not get to 100k market cap, that coin will not be listed on the screener. You get and for a coin to get to 100k market cap, for a coin to do really very well, you need promotion. That's where um influencers comes in. You need promotion. So most people when they create their coin, what they do is to uh go out, reach out to uh Twitter influencers YouTubers, and people that have Telegram channels with large followings and tell them to promote the coin and they pay. So if those people promote the coin, their users buy the coin market cap is going to go up, and with that, you can easily sell your own token, make money off it again. But if there is bad promotion, they not market the coin and the coin nobody buy into that coin, and going that coin just be probably lose your money through gas, because when you create a coin, you're going to pay gas fee to pop the fund and get to lose your money. Also, you should be also mindful that if you buy the coin, there's possibility that the people that buy the coin will dump on you. Yes, it happens. People that buy the coin will dump on you because the traders are looking out to make money. You is looking out to make money. If you create a coin, somebody buy the coin, another person buy the coin, and one of the person sell the coin. It means that the more the tokens and there is no money get. But sometimes it is always the developer that tends to make the most money of a particular coin they bought. This actually the very basic. So creating a meme coin is very easy. I come to pop the phone, tap on create coin, I follow the prompt. With that, you can simply create your own meme coin. Really very easy. What I wanted to understand that it's not just about creating a coin. You create a coin that has narrative, a coin that tends to trend, and you can do this by already remixing what is already existing in the ecosystem, or you can create a coin based on what is currently trending. Again, after you create the coin, the next is for you to look for influencers that is going to promote the coin for you. There are people who do this as a job, total influencers. All they do every single day is to make tweets about currently trending coin, sharing them on is, and if that particular coin is currently trending, well, people is going to buy into that particular coin. And from there, you get to make your own money. So, guys, this is how you can actually create a coin. Very easy. Get and guys, this for educational purposes, and you can follow the steps that I've shown you. If you do this, you become successful. If this video was helpful, please do to like, subscribe, turn the bell icon, or see my next video. Peace out.